Back in January of 2020, our team created a comprehensive facilities study, and 4 things came up from that study. One is our infrastructure is failing us. Our learning environments are outdated and not the best for our students. Safety is the #1 concern. Our north parking lot on 83rd Street. The biggest challenge is just that we've outgrown it.
Some areas have to be restructured so that it can function to meet the needs of our students, such as if we look at the hallways, our students who are so excited to go outside to recess, they're excited to put on their boots and so many layers of winter gear, and then when they take those off, it's all over the place because we don't have space to store them. The building does not allow our students to function independently.
And then like this, they can't reach this, so the teachers have to come out, hang it up, and then we need to come out of the classroom to get it down. 4K is all about self-help, independent skills, getting them ready for school. And so having cubbies instead of lockers would be awesome. Storage space, we have a lot of projects that we do, and so having cabinetry at the top to put our things in, workstations for the kids to explore in.
So this is one of the classrooms in our older wing, and on the floor you'll see that the teacher has taped down lots of places on this carpet where it's just wavy. You try to move chairs or anything like that, they get caught up on here. It's just a big safety hazard. In this area of the building, we have kind of these portable walls that are very thin. It's hard for the kiddos who are in here and the teachers to focus on what's going on in their room when there's a lot of noise from the other classrooms. We make do with what we have because that's just what we do.
An ideal sensory room would provide different activities for students who are at different levels developmentally. We have large equipment too, such as swings, and we are not able to hang up the swings that the district has purchased. We also have other larger sensory tools that do not fit in that area because everything is jam-packed.
Collaboration for teachers is critical. We're talking about meeting the needs of so many different kids, and they're stuck collaborating at a little table with short little chairs and things like that, so it doesn't exactly feel professional for them either. I really look forward to the time when we don't just have to make something work, that the environment works for us.